يا أيها الذين آمنوا. Listen, Allah is talking to the believer. Oh, you who believe. أنفقوا مما رزقناكم. Spend. Mimma, from that which we have given you. Mimma razaqnakum, from that which we have given you. Listen. Min qabli an ya'tiya yawm, before the coming of the day. La bay'un fihi wa la khullatun wa la shafa'ah. La bay'un fihi, no trading, no bargaining, no. ولا خلة, and there is no friendship. ولا شفاعة, and there is no intercession. So Allah said, you and I should spend, stretch our generous hand to the needy, to those in need, before the day that you are going to depart this world.